I thought the minifigure would be in here, but I have like these items. He doesn't have legs, or she. What is it? Is it a he or a she? I never play Animal Crossing. This reminds me really of Lego Fabuland. I was playing with that when I was a child. It's discontinued. That was in between Lego Duplo and Lego, just normal Lego. It had tiny animals. Where are his legs? I don't know. No legs. Tiny thingies. No legs either. Oh, here it is. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. This is. That's one. I need two. Oh, there. It was hidden. Where's the other one? There must be 4 of those. Oh, there it is. Everybody can build with Legos. Well, probably not everybody. What's this? Oh, I thought it was one piece. It isn't. So, very nice. Oh my god, there are some neighbors that have like a very loud bass in their music, and I really dislike that. We live in an apartment, so everything is loud. Oh, that's the tent. It's going to be a tent. That's so nice. I like it. Look at that. Not like that, like that. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. It's amazing. Very cute. Now I can attach this 3-part thingy. Ooh, my tent is collapsing. Look at that. It's a little tree stump. Look at that. How did they do that? How on earth? Like in between those two? Oh, like that. Just a tree part. I need this one. I need this big green one. I need this tiny one. There we are. Tree. This one, it's teeny tiny. It's going to be a tiny tree. Look at that, how cute it is. Very nice, very nice. Just like this. It's going to be here. Look how gorgeous. Look at the little spider. I love it so much. Look at that. My daughter would be so scared. Why is there a spider anyway? It's okay, spider. You're allowed to be there. Oh no, you can't catch the spider with the net. And this is going to be in here. I have some kind of stick. I don't know why the stick is there, but it's simply a stick. Well, nothing wrong with a good stick. Look at that, it's so cute. Again, it's not the most sturdy tent, is it? Oh, I'm sorry, falling down. Oop. You have this one and this thing. What is it? What's this going to be? I don't know. Oh, it's a waterfall. Oh, that's fun. That's nicely done. It's a waterfall. That's great. And it has to be here. Why do I have 2 shovels? What? Oh, I'm sorry. You keep falling down. Have you eaten enough? Go again. Lots of green. I see a little ladder. Green, green. On green pieces. I have no idea what this is going to be. How hard can it be? What is this? Oh, there are teeny tiny pieces in here. I forgot I had it. Like this purple thing and this. I don't know what these are. It's like a little star. What is this? It's like a gold thingy. What am I going to do? Oh, yes, of course. It's like a hidden treasure or something like that. I love the little butterfly. Look at that. I like the little flowers. They have changed since the 80s. Oh, I have to grab this stick and put it here. Oh, he can jump over it. That's funny. He can jump to the other side. Isn't that funny? Oh, this is my struggle again. Nice tree stump. I'm going to build some leaves now, some foliage, I guess. Where do I put this? Oh, there. No, not there. I am confused. Oh, that's how you do it. I need a stick and a little flower. I'm going to put it in there again. Just like putting it in there. Okay, I put the flower there. You know that I can hear this picture. I can hear this. It says, ta-da! We're going to hide it. I know Lego does that, but it's funny that you have pieces that you will never see again unless you break it down, of course. But it's funny. Yep. You can see I'm very good at this. Yep, there it is. Look at that, it's so lovely. So, look, I'm going to sleep. Good night, little one. Good night. Bye bye. I'm going to try if it won't fall apart. Look at that. It's so lovely. It's adorable. I like the fact that you can connect it, and as far as I can see, you can connect them all. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I like this boat. That's, oh, and a little skateboard. I like that. I like it. Oh. What's this? This is like floating present. Is that something from Animal Crossing that you can grab it at something, that you have like an extra prize or something? I love it. It's so fun. Those remind me of Fabuland, and those doors remind me of Fabuland. It's amazing. You're going to play with fire, I guess. You have fun. Oh wait, I'm going to let him roast a marshmallow. I saw you can do that. Wait a minute. There's like, yeah, look at that. I have this, grabbing stuff is difficult. There, I have this marshmallow thingy. Look at that. This is so lovely. Oh, look at that. Marshmallow. I love this. I want it all.